Let's start with the very basics of what this entity that we reported with saw in the data when it came to specifically AI-related reports of child sexual abuse material. Just start with that, please.
Yeah, so there's an organization called the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children, and it effectively serves as a clearinghouse, fielding tips from industry of child sexual abuse material to law enforcement. This is a really important part of the process because this is the connectivity that allows local law enforcement agents to actually track down children who might be in active danger and find the perpetrators of abuse. They field these reports from companies like Amazon, and when hundreds of thousands of reports came in, they typically expect details, location data, sources. Where did you find this data? And Amazon has not shared that detail, which has stunted further investigation.
Is that why Amazon's data is seen as some sort of outlier here, Riley?
Yeah, so NCMEC, the clearinghouse, has been tracking this broader bucket of AI-related reports. That can be AI-generated child sexual abuse material, exploitive conversation with chatbots. It could also be known images of abuse that have existed on the internet. And ultimately, this bucket is rising. This year, 2025, was the first in which they saw 1 million reports of AI-related child sexual abuse material. And Amazon drove the vast majority, so hundreds of thousands of those cases. That's what makes it an outlier here, in addition to the lack of information.
This is a story about how artificial intelligence is changing the child safety landscape. And in the course of reporting, you spoke with a wide range of experts in this field. What are the risks that they are warning about, and I suppose the solutions?
Yeah, one expert said when you hoover up a ton of the internet, you're going to find this kind of material. The internet can be a dark place, but it is on the companies themselves to ensure that their training data sets are clean before they train their models. The risks, of course, Ed, can be that the models learn these kinds of behaviors. They can reproduce those images. They can continue to retraffic images of abuse. And so questions that we have for all companies right now is how are they ensuring their data sets are clean?
As we see, Amazon has responded to your reporting. What do you think the next steps are, Riley?
Yeah, we still don't have answers from Amazon on where the actual training data came from. It'll be interesting to see when we get full data in March from the company and when we hear more from the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children as about the broader landscape. But for now, the question lingers, Caroline.